邀请，邀请，邀请。
invite, invitation,
invite, invitation.
看完电影后，他邀请我去他的家喝一杯。看完电影后，他邀请我去他的家喝一杯。看完电影后，他邀请我去他的家喝一杯。
After the movie, he invited me to his home for a drink.
After the movie, he invited me to his home for a drink.
你收到他生日聚会的邀请吗？你收到他生日聚会的邀请吗？你收到他生日聚会的邀请吗？
Did you receive an invitation to her birthday party?
Did you receive an invitation to her birthday party?
感谢你的邀请。感谢你的邀请。感谢你的邀请。
Thanks for your invitation.
Thanks for your invitation.
葡萄，葡萄，葡萄。
Grape,
Grape.
我爸爸喜欢喝葡萄酒。我爸爸喜欢喝葡萄酒。我爸爸喜欢喝葡萄酒。
My dad likes to drink wine.
My dad likes to drink wine.
葡萄是维生素 C 的重要来源。葡萄是维生素 C 的重要来源。葡萄是维生素 C 的重要来源。
Grapes are a great source of vitamin C.
Grapes are a great source of vitamin C.
多吃葡萄可以促进皮肤健康，增强人体免疫系统。多吃葡萄可以促进皮肤健康，增强人体免疫系统。多吃葡萄可以促进皮肤健康，增强人体免疫系统。
Eating more grapes can promote healthy skin and strengthen the body's immune system.
Eating more grapes can promote healthy skin and strengthen the body's immune system.
艺术，艺术，艺术。
Art,
Art.
京剧是中国著名的传统艺术。京剧是中国著名的传统艺术。京剧是中国著名的传统艺术。
Peking opera is a famous traditional art in China.
Peking opera is a famous traditional art in China.
他的艺术作品获得了今年的最佳设计奖。他的艺术作品获得了今年的最佳设计奖。他的艺术作品获得了今年的最佳设计奖。
Her artwork won this year's Best Design Award.
Her artwork won this year's Best Design Award.
他收集了许多艺术品和古董。他收集了许多艺术品和古董。他收集了许多艺术品和古董。
He collected many art and antiques.
He collected many art and antiques.
广告，广告，广告。
Advertisement,
Advertisement.
广告的目的不仅是为了增加销量，更是为了提高品牌知名度。广告的目的不仅是为了增加销量，更是为了提高品牌知名度。广告的目的不仅是为了增加销量，更是为了提高品牌知名度。
The purpose of advertising is not only to increase sales, but also to increase brand awareness.
The purpose of advertising is not only to increase sales, but also to increase brand awareness.
最近公司生意不好，不如做个广告宣传一下公司的产品吧。最近公司生意不好，不如做个广告宣传一下公司的产品吧。最近公司生意不好，不如做个广告宣传一下公司的产品吧。
The company's business has been slow recently, So why not make an advertisement to promote the company's products?
The company's business has been slow recently, so why not make an advertisement to promote the company's products?
虽然广告公司为新产品做了很多宣传，但效果却没有想象中那么好。虽然广告公司为新产品做了很多宣传，但效果却没有想象中那么好。虽然广告公司为新产品做了很多宣传，但效果却没有想象中那么好。
Although the advertising company did a lot of publicity for the new product, the effect was not as good as expected.
Although the advertising company did a lot of publicity for the new product, the effect was not as good as expected.
味道，味道，味道。
Taste.
Taste.
这葡萄酒的味道怎么样？这葡萄酒的味道怎么样？这葡萄酒的味道怎么样？
How does this wine taste?
How does this wine taste?
这种葡萄酒不仅味道好，而且酒瓶也很特别。这种葡萄酒不仅味道好，而且酒瓶也很特别。这种葡萄酒不仅味道好，而且酒瓶也很特别。
This kind of wine not only tastes good, but the bottle is also very special.
This kind of wine not only tastes good, but the bottle is also very special.
你做的菜味道还不错，就是有点咸。你做的菜味道还不错，就是有点咸。你做的菜味道还不错，就是有点咸。
The food you cooked tastes good, but a bit salty.
The food you cooked tastes good, but a bit salty.
优点，优点，优点。
Merit. Advantage. Strength.
Merit. Advantage. Strength.
没有人是完美的，每个人都有优点和缺点。没有人是完美的，每个人都有优点和缺点。没有人是完美的，每个人都有优点和缺点。
No one is perfect, everyone has strengths and weaknesses.
No one is perfect, everyone has strengths and weaknesses.
你最大的优点是什么？你最大的优点是什么？你最大的优点是什么？
What is your greatest strength?
What is your greatest strength?
我的优点是诚实、热心、勤劳、有责任心。我的优点是诚实、热心、勤劳、有责任心。我的优点是诚实、热心、勤劳、有责任心。
My advantages are honesty, enthusiasm, hard work and responsibility.
My advantages are honesty, enthusiasm, hard work and responsibility.
谢谢观看。